Hey guys, nice fall afternoon. I'm out on my patio. Gonna do some steaks tonight. So I want to show you kind of how I make my steaks. They're really easy to do. It's a quick, easy dinner. I have a pellet smoker out here, and I'm gonna show you how I guess you want to call it, maybe reverse sear or whatever they call them. I don't know. This is how I do my steaks, and they come out super good, and I love them to death. They're really good. So what I've got was I got some 3 ribeye steaks. Got them up to the market, and so I set my smoker. I'll show you here at 230, and we get it smoking in there. And all I did was I sprinkled some SPG, which is salt, pepper, garlic, and I get it over there at the Kinders right at Sam's Club. And you can see the steaks in there, just cooking in there nice and good. We're just going to get them up to a temperature of 130, and then once they hit that 130, we'll take and throw them on the gas grill. We'll sear them on both sides for a couple seconds on each side at high temp. We'll take them inside, let them sit for a little bit, and then we'll show you how tender they are. Really quick and easy meal. Be right back. Okay, so we're back out here at the smoker, and what I've got is this nice little meat temperature thing. You just, as soon as you open it up, it will tell you the pressure or the temperature. So it's 54 degrees outside. This usually does not take very long to get them up to 130 degrees. You can see they're already kind of started cooking. That one's about 98. Yeah, so we'll let them sit there a little bit longer, and then we'll start the grill up. Get that. I'm going to take that up to 250 because we want to go a little bit faster on these cooking. So, all right, getting there. Okay, while we're waiting for this meat to cook, I want to show you this little contraption I found at Lowe's. So this hooks onto your drill, and it's a roto scrub is what it's called. And you hold on to it, and as you pull the trigger, let me see here if I can pull the trigger for you and show you how it works on the drill. But you hold this up. If I can do this with one hand and get a good shot. And that's the way you scrub your grill. I mean, that thing's pretty cool. And it's got a little scraper that comes off, and you can scrape in beside it. And so I cleaned my grill out with it last time, and it came out pretty good. Cleaned it up really nice. You just kind of go over it real quick. You gotta make sure, though, it kicks back in your face, and I had a wicked nasty face, and I started doing a video, and I had a black spot on my nose on my last camper video when I was winterizing the camper. So I had to actually go back and reshoot some of the spots. If I still have a picture of that, I'll show you that spot on my nose. But yeah, just make sure it doesn't kick back on your face. But we're gonna start this baby up as the steaks are almost getting ready to temp. Okay, so let's all right, so let's check this. We should be done. We're at 52 degrees out here. Let's open the door up. Let the smoke kind of blow away from the smoker a little bit. Ooh, you can hear them cooking really good. All right, so we're at 135 on that one. My wife likes them cooked extra good. 133 and 125, 130 right there. Okay, so they're good. They're ready to come out. I got the griddle over here burning nice and hot. So let me put these steaks on here. Oh, them babies are tender. Like I said, just some SPG rub on them. Alrighty, shut that baby off. Alrighty, now let's put these on this. So we're just gonna put them on there for a couple seconds. Now, if you like them 130, I pulled this one off up here, and I'll shut this one off because that's about medium rare. My wife likes hers well done, so we're gonna get that up. That's about like 137, 140. So we'll get that one up pretty good for her because she likes them well done. And those are about ready to come off. All right, let's go inside and eat. Look at that, nice red, juicy blood coming right out of there. That's perfectly cooked steak. Salad, some potatoes, and we're ready to go.